R16 RC Drone Toy main features: adjustable camera. The front camera is equipped with an adjustable rotation axis for you to shoot more exciting angles. Dual camera switch. Give you a broader shooting perspective and shocking vision. Air pressure fixed height. Make your memories more vivid without shaking. Real-time transmission. Unobstructed views from thousands of miles away. APP smart connection. Intelligent control. Realize more functions. Speed control. Adjust the speed and feel the different flight. Modular battery. Easy to disassemble and recycle. Gesture photos/video. Headless mode. No need to distinguish the direction of the aircraft. Easy to operate. Convenient and lightweight. Convenient foldable mini aircraft. One key takeoff/landing. Turn on this function to realize automatic rise/fall. 360° roll. Press one button to roll to 360° roll.